Welcome to Cooking with Chrystle. Y'all, I'm back. It's been a while. It's been a struggle. It's been a lot, but I'm here. I still am attached to food. I don't want to touch my hair because, you know, I'm not good. But, yeah. If you're attached to food, you love food, in the link, in the box, in the link below. No, the link in the box below. Get y'all a shirt. That's what I'm really trying to say. Get you a shirt. Don't make me make it a thing. Today, I'm making salmon with my children in the background. Shout out to my baby girl, Rain. She's my princess. My Mr. Handsome. So, if it be a lot, y'all, this is the lot I be talking about. When I said it's a lot, it's just been a lot. So, anyways, but I'm so excited to be doing my first video back in the kitchen, my new kitchen with my nice countertops. Shout out KD Solutions. So, anyways, salmon. I'm making it in this air fryer. It's gonna be air fryer salmon from frozen. Cause look, like I said, it be a lot going on, so I be forgetting to like thaw stuff out. Ricky was like, "Why you ain't thaw out the salmon?" I forgot. It happens. I forgot. Okay, I forgot to thaw out the salmon. But I found me a recipe that lets me do it from frozen, so bow, here we are. Step 1. You're going to get this rack. Your air fryer should have some type of rack. This is the type of rack mine's got. So, I'm going to grease it. I would use like Pam, even though they said don't use Pam in like your air fryer, which I don't know why they said that, so I would use it. But the only reason I'm not going to use it because I'm out of it. So, anyways, I'm finna do like this. I'm just like rubbing it on there, the olive oil, just like olive oil. So rub that like that. Boom, you're done. That was easy. This is finna be like the easiest recipe, y'all. I can't mess this one up. I said, when my first time coming back, let me not, you know, have myself out here looking any kind of way. So, step 2, you're gonna season it. I'm putting a little bit of seasoning salt. Not a lot, just a little. Ooh, okay. Like I said, not a lot, just a little. And then I got some Old Bay. I got the Old Bay with the garlic and herb, because my husband like it when I put Old Bay on his stuff. So just dab that on there like that.
Mom, I like that.
So I'm gonna have some more of this than I did other.
I like that, Mommy.
You like that? Okay. Rain likes it. She's a fan. She has given us the green light for Old Bay on this. It looked like I'm putting a lot, but this is an appropriate amount. Trust me. So now, last, I'm going to put some pepper, some cracked pepper on here.
Oh, I like pepper.
You like pepper? Okay, Rain, you like it all. Okay, and then that's all. I'm not putting nothing else. We like nice, simple salmon. So then I'm going to open it. We already know from the last time when I did that other video that I just pushed this button, bow, and it opens up. Kind of stopped that time. I don't really know what was happening with that. But anyway, I'm going to put my rack in here. I'm going to let it hang. And like, wait, I got to do it like this.
Mom wants to see.
You want to see? Okay, hold on. Let me just do what I'm doing. So then I'm going to put this skin side down. And for frozen salmon, but mine's is like starting to thaw. But for frozen salmon, if you're cooking it for frozen, you just put it on 360 for 15 minutes. That's what the recipe said that I found. So I'm going to have to swerve it a little bit, though, because, one, it's me, so you knew there had to be a swerve. But this was not an anticipated swerve. The swerve that's about to happen is, this salmon is like, you want to see? Okay, stand up so you can see. She's trying to maneuver and figure that out. Can I show you after?
Yeah.
Okay. So, this is starting to thaw, but it's not like completely thawed. So, I'm going to have to like make my own partially thawed like salmon time amount. So, it said 10 minutes for thawed, 15 minutes for not thawed. No, that's not right. 15 minutes is how long you cook it, whether it's thawed or not thawed. But you cook it on 360 if it's frozen, and 3 350 if it's not frozen. So I'm gonna cook it on 355. We just gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna set my temperature to 355. I have my timer at 15 minutes, and I'm gonna press start. Yes, Rain. All right, you guys. So there's the beep. The salmon is ready. Should be ready. It looks perfect. Okay. So I'm gonna get it off. Oh. Oh. Y'all. And y'all thought I was about to be great in this video. Shoot. That's alright. We're gonna work through it.
I want to see.
Just gotta get the...
I want to see, Mommy.
It's okay because... Dang it.
What's Mommy?
So, these are gonna be some nice salmon bites that I've made. Y'all see how I did that?
Mommy.
When something don't turn out right, you gotta just figure out how to repackage it. These are salmon bites now. Just make it work. I'm making it work. But aren't these some beautiful pieces of salmon? And they look perfectly cooked, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you be watching my cooking videos, you want to see me do more cooking videos, like, comment, and subscribe. So I'll do, you know, more cooking videos. If you want, Mr. Handsome. Okay. If you want me back on this cooking situation, you're gonna have to let me know that that's what you want. That's what you're looking for, okay? There's like a little bit of a crust on top too, which is cool. Okay, here we go. That's really good. I would say I like my salmon to be cooked like medium well. So it's definitely done. It's not overcooked by any stretch, but it's done. It's not like that medium that I normally prefer. But it's really good. It's really good. So if you have semi-thawed salmon, you can cook it at 355 for 15 minutes. If it's frozen, 360 for 15 minutes. If it's thawed, 350 for 15 minutes. Unless, you know, you like it medium. I would probably have shaved off like 2 minutes and it would have been like perfect for that medium well situation that I like. But yeah, so there you go. That's salmon in an air fryer. I don't know what to tell you about this skin that's still like stuck. Like maybe, well, it's kind of coming off. Anyways, I don't really know what to tell you to do about this. This happens to me when I make all kind of stuff in here. Like, so just, I don't know. You're going to have to work through that on your own. Or if you know how to figure that out, leave a comment tip for me in the description box. If you want me to cook more stuff, let me know that I should be doing this, going through, you know, cooking these stuffs for y'all. And I'll do it because I do be cooking because I like food. So, yeah, thank you so very much. I don't know if you can tell, but your girl is slimming down. I know you can. Don't act like you can't. I'm slimming down. I'm losing weight. I don't know exactly how much because I don't actually own a scale, but I am going to track a scale down because I know my previous weight before I started losing weight. But I have gone down already like 2 sizes in like less than 30 days. So if you're wanting to know how your girl did that, how I worked that out, what I've been eating, healthy meals that I've been having to get that done, I can let you know. But let me know that you want to know by commenting below. So like, comment, subscribe, and continue to cook with Chrystle. That's me, your girl. Don't keep up with the Joneses. And my baby is calling for me. Hey, Mr. Hanson.